Hey guys, welcome back to the Crafty Reviewer. Today, this is the second part of the Twinkly Lights video on how to basically set them up on your phone or tablet. I'm using the iPad today, and it's pretty cool. Check it out. Like a Hellcat. Alright guys, so with the iPad or tablet or phone or whatever you're using, you can pull it up like that, and you can easily just set it up. I'll show you how to set it up really on the close-up with me not in the picture in just a minute, but it's super easy. Once you get all set up, all you have to do is touch and it changes, and then you can switch it to this one and or this one or that one. Pretty cool, right? I thought so too. Alright guys, so I have the Christmas tree and I have the wreath. These ones right behind me. So I hope you guys enjoy me showing you how to set this up. Also guys, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments down below. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright guys, so I apologize if it's hard to see this. I'm trying to make it work with this the iPad. I don't usually use for the twinkly lights because I usually use my phone, which I'm using to record this. So anyways, so to set the twinkly lights, first you have to plug them in, which we did already. Plugged them in, and then you have this little button like control module thing. And basically you download the Twinkley app, and then you come up here to this little, after you log in and everything, create a password. These are our other two Twinkley lights that I have already, and you just hit this little plus, like add one. So you it'll do that like search thing it's doing right now. Oh, you're gonna make me go this way? I just got it all set up the other way. Come on. Okay, so then it asks which one you have. You have this one, or this one. So this is Twinkley Music, second generation, and first generation. Just literally look at it, and oh, this is the second generation. So you click on that. It says OK, allow, and then you press and hold this button until the button turns blue. Just like that. Then you let go. It will find it. And it says you want to use your home or office one, or you want to use direct Wi-Fi. We're going to do home office. So then after you type in your Wi-Fi password and everything, it'll look for the device, and I found that if you have the device closer to your thing, it'll find it faster and easier. Okay, so it looks like it has found it, so that's good. Okay, it's time to set up map lights. Okay, and then it's going to, I don't know if you can see it, gives me like a Christmas tree thing. And then it asks me, easy mapping or advanced mapping. Advanced mapping is if you have it like wrapped around a pole or something, or you have a Christmas tree like in the middle of the room, and you want to have everything like work like together, like you want it to work together, just like this. So I'm going to do easy mapping because it's all right there. And we're going to do next. And it says avoid reflective surfaces. Keep your mobile cam steady during the process and ensure moderate ambient light and not too dark. Okay, so we're going to do this, and I'm going to back it up a little bit so you guys are going to see what it's doing when I am getting the lights mapped. So you just you hit start mapping, which is right here, just like this little bar that goes across to start mapping. You want to make sure that all of your lights are on the screen. That's why I have to back up a little bit, okay? So I'm going to go back here, and don't mind our classroom pets that are just being crazy. You hit start mapping, and it makes all of the lights change colors, do this crazy stuff, and then it'll show you. Oh look, this is what we saw. This is the picture it took basically. And it shows all the LEDs, boom, and then it shows you on here while it does that. Isn't that cool? Then you say, okay, accept that, boom. And then it's going to configure all of my design, all the plans, all the different designs and stuff that we have for it, for that design, instead of for the Christmas tree or for the wreath, which you're probably seeing right here and right here. So anyways, so like you can now hit this and boom, it is right there, right? Or you can scroll either way and it changes. And it's very easy to tell what this is doing because it has it's really close together and it's a big square. So with this, since it's a square, you can definitely see like all the pattern really nice. It's kind of hard to tell sometimes on the smaller, like the wreath or the Christmas tree or whatever, but it's really easy to tell the lines on this one because it's like I did my best to put it into a square for you guys so you can see it really nicely. Pretty crazy, right? And it's all right there, and you can also go back to the gallery, boom, and then you can like pick a different one, specific one, or if you just want to scroll through, you can just scroll through and see which one you like. So when it comes to that, that's pretty crazy. Also guys, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments down below, and please don't forget to like and subscribe, comments, so I can know how you guys are liking my videos. So thanks for watching guys, and see you next time.